Now before starting our ethical hacking practicals, it is important to take snapshot for all of your virtual machines, right? I already told you what a snapshot is, so you can assume snapshot as bookmarks. So if anything goes wrong, we can go back in time, right? We can restore back to the previous state of our virtual machine. So how to do this? First of all, click the three dots you will see here, then go to snapshots, click on take, give it a name like snapshot for Kali, give a description like new installation. Okay, now let's start our Kali. Let's type username, that is root, and password is 123. Okay, now we have taken a snapshot for a Kali because it is a new installation. Now we made some changes to Kali and then take a snapshot again. Okay, and then we switch between the two. So suppose you have updated your Kali or you have created some folders in Kali. Let me create it for you. First of all, let's see our location by using pwd command. Okay, now let's go to desktop and create some folders like A, B, C, D. So we have created 4 different folders here, right? Now let's power off this virtual machine and take a new snapshot. Okay, so snapshot new, description like updated Kali. Now we have 2 different kind of screenshots. Suppose you want to go back to the newly installed virtual machine, so you have to select this, select this snapshot for Kali, that is our snapshot number 1, and click on restore, then go to this option and click on start. Now let's log in and you will see no folders here, right? So we have our virtual machine back. We are booted from the first snapshot, which is a new installation, right? Now suppose you want to go back to your updated Kali or where you have created 4 different folders, that is A, B, C, D, then what you have to do is power off this virtual machine. Okay, select that snapshot, click on restore and then click on start, and that's how snapshots actually works. Okay.